A right person will love you without questioning about your past. Real love isn't easy, and easy love isn't real. If someone is okay with losing you, they never loved you. Anyone can hear you, but only right one can listen you. Sometimes we write status not for getting likes, but for just one person to read it. A person who always disturb you is the person who always love you. Falling in love is easy, but staying in love is very special. Don't choose to love most beautiful person in the world. Choose to love the one who makes your world beautiful. I promise no one will make your place in my heart. I am yours forever. Our true love story is based on compromise, trust, respect. Take care of your soul. Your soul is the most beautiful part of you. Allow yourself to accept the reality. Teach your heart to accept disappointments even from people you love. Situation will teach you the real meaning of life. Be the different in regular way, not to break a rule but to create a statement. Be proud of your kind heart, not everyone has it. Life isn't waiting for later, it's happening now. Tell people you love them. Smile more often, forgiving faster, and let small joys count. Be patient with yourself. Different flowers grow at different times. Sometimes you just have to stay silent because no words can explain what is going on in your mind and heart. Delete negative people, forget your past, accept your mistakes, and restart your life. Don't make permanent decisions based on temporary mood swings. The risk in your life: if you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Be careful who trust. Salt and sugar look the same. Don't trust anyone because people change anytime without any reason. I am not cute. I am not beautiful. I am not intelligent. I am not perfect. But I am not fake. I don't care what people say about me. I know who I am and I don't have to prove anything to anyone. Don't think too much, just do what makes you happy. Follow your plan, not your mood. Some tree, different season. Remember, everything is temporary. Life is not easy when you have overthinking mind and sensitive heart.